How to add Spotify playlist to Instagram bio. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Spotify playlist to your Instagram bio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Spotify app. And then once you're on your Spotify app, you have to tap on library in the bottom right side here. And then select the playlist that you want to share on your Instagram bio. Now once you are in the playlist, you have to tap on these three dots. And then here you will see a share option. Tap on it. And then tap on copy link. Now once you have copied the link, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. And then here tap on edit profile. And then here in edit profile you have to tap on add link. And then here tap on add external link. And paste that link here in the URL. Now you can see that this link is very long and it will not look good in your Instagram bio. So if we add this long link, and it will look like this. So to shorten this link, open up any browser on your phone and search for link shortener. Search for link shortener and then here go to this website bit.ly.com. And then here scroll down. And here tap on shorten your link and paste that link here and then tap on shorten. And once the link is shortened, you have to tap on copy. And now go back to your Instagram, tap on edit profile, tap on links and tap on the link and clear this link and paste the shortened link here. And if you want, you can add a title like check out my Spotify playlist and etc. And after you have done, you can tap on check in the top right corner here and go back and tap on check in the top right corner here again. And then you can see we have added the Spotify playlist to our Instagram bio, and if I tap on it, it will take me to the Spotify playlist. And so this is how you can add Spotify playlist to your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching.